Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right tip size and preparing both parts. First, inspect the Airpods Pro stem nozzle and the silicone tip for lint or crust. Clean with a dry cloth. Once clean, pick the size that seals comfortably. Too small leaks space, too big causes pressure. Next, position the tip opening squarely over the metal nozzle so it's centered. With gentle but firm pressure, push the tip onto the stem until you feel a click. That click confirms the tip is seated properly. Once the tip clicks on, you don't stop. Verify the seal. Grip the base of the tip and give a small twist and tug to confirm it won't slip off during movement. Then put the AirPod in your ear and run the quick fit test. Inhale sharply and listen for increased bass and reduced outside noise. That natural change means a good seal. If you hear thin sound or feel airflow, swap to the next size and repeat, because a proper seal equals improved noise cancellation and comfort. Finish by confirming comfort during real movement. Walk, nod, and talk. If the tip shifts or the seal breaks, remove and reseat it fully until it clicks again. If you notice reduced performance, inspect the tip for tears or deformation. Replace it when worn. As a last fix, make sure the AirPods are clean, then reset or try another device to rule out software. If audio still sounds wrong after proper seating and replacements, consult Apple support, because mechanical fit issues and electronics can mimic each other.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.